Alright, doing the unboxing of my new black Wii U 32GB deluxe set. See what all's in here. First off, we got a Nintendo Land, a book that I won't read, HDMI cable, sensor bar, stand, something else in plastic, bunch of wires. They sent a bunch of wires. That's really good. Alright, here we go. It looks like the Wii U is actually as big as the controller. I really took the time to cover this in foam. It's the Wii U black. Looks like a CD player out of a car from the 90s. Here we have this huge gamepad. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Let's see, take a close look here. Here's my Vita. Here's this gamepad. Seems like they completely copied it, except just inverted the joysticks and switched the camera location. Alright, well that's it for the unboxing. I'll be on later with some gameplay footage.